Follow this easy guide to change your phone lock password using settings, giving your device stronger protection and better security in just a few simple taps. To begin, unlock your phone and open the settings menu. You can do this by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon, or by finding the settings app in your app drawer. Once you are inside settings, scroll through the list until you find security, and privacy or lock screen, depending on your phone model and Android version. Next, tap on screen lock type or simply screen lock under the device security section. This is where all your current lock options are managed. Before you can make any changes, your phone will ask you to verify your identity. Enter your current PIN, password, or pattern correctly to continue. This step is important because it ensures that only the owner of the device can change security settings. After verification, you will be able to choose a new lock method. You will usually see three main options: password, PIN, and pattern. A password is the most secure option because it can include letters, numbers, and symbols. A PIN is also strong, especially if you use 6 or more digits. A pattern is quicker but slightly less secure as it can sometimes be easier to guess. Select your preferred option, then enter your new password, PIN, or pattern. Tap Continue, then re-enter it carefully to confirm. Make sure you choose something memorable but not easy for others to guess, such as birthdays or simple sequences. Finally, tap OK or confirm and your new screen lock will be set successfully. From now on, your phone will use this updated password for security. This simple process helps keep your personal data, apps, and information safe and protected.